Hey, glad you came back. Hey, so today I'm making some creamy, cheesy cream spinach. It's the ultimate side dish. I hope you enjoy this. This is what we're making. Look at this. I know you saw the thumbnail, but look at that cheesy goodness. Oh man. It has shallots, garlic, mascarpone. Man. Watch. Oh, it's hot. Watch.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
Okay, real simple. So we got a third of a cup heavy whipping cream, about 3 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese. We have about 5 ounces of baby spinach. We have 1 large shallot that we've diced up, small dice. We have about 1.5 tablespoons of flour, about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and then a couple teaspoons of minced garlic. All right, let's get this together. Okay, turn the heat on, the flame on medium. Now we're gonna add our butter. Okay, let's add our butter. Butter goes in. And we're gonna add our shallot. Okay, we're gonna sweat the shallots as the butter's melting. Okay. Because we're not trying to give any color to the shallots. We're not caramelizing them, just warming them through. Okay, now let's add our garlic. Add the garlic in. Now we're going to add our flour. You just want to cook it for about 30 seconds just to cook the flour taste off of it. Now we're going to add our spinach. And stir it up. It'll wilt down. And it's also going to deglaze the bottom of your pot with the water that's in the spinach. Okay, now we're going to add our cream. And as the cream warms, it's going to also wilt the spinach as well. See how it's already cooking down? Turn it down just a little bit. We're not trying to fry it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more cream to this. About another quarter of a cup. And I'm gonna let this go covered for just a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna add the cheese. All right, now we're gonna add the cheese. Get that mixed in. And once the cheese melts, we're done. Now I like mine real cheesy, as you can tell. All right, turn the heat off. Let's plate up. Okay, let's plate this bad boy up. Nice and cheesy. Look at that. Wonderful. Here we have it. Cheesy, creamy, creamed spinach. The ultimate side dish. Especially if you have a steak. Oh man, perfect for this. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Hey, if you're not subscribed, hey, hit the subscribe button. You know our arms are open. We'll leave the light on for you. You can always find us in the dark. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira. Look for the gray cat. Let's connect. That being said, I'm about to get in on this like you have no idea. Enjoy your day and thanks for watching.